Hello everyone! Welcome again to a new video on our channel. In this video, we will explain the settings for the ultimate in-range and breakout expert advisor, Step Ahead. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you can receive all the new stuff we are posting. Let me remind you first of the original strategy. The idea would be to identify a time window where the market is ranging and determine the high and low of the range. Once a breakout of the high occurs, we activate a buy, and we close it at the end of the range. If the low breakout occurs, we activate a sell, and the trade will be closed at the end of the range. This strategy is quite simple, however, with the proper parameters it is very profitable. Here you go, some of the reviews on Step Ahead.
This is an excellent advisor. I recommend it to everyone, especially for those who are looking for a safe advisor for prop trading.
Another client said,
with the right settings, this strategy is 100% profitable on basically any pair. I am pleased with my purchase.
If you are asking yourself, why do I need Step Ahead and not another EA? Stay with us until the end of this video, and you will do this conclusion yourself. In the remaining minutes of this video, we will go through the settings of Step Ahead. Let us start with the range time settings. Each range has a start, end, and closing time. To plot the range on your graph, choose its color and activate the Draw Range option. Step Ahead allows you to use manual high and low. This will help you adjust the current range. Once activated, two lines appear on the graph that represents the high and low. In this case, the high and low of the range are ignored, and the manual levels are considered. The trade will occur only when breaking the manual high or low. Let us review now the order settings. You can include spread or buffer from the extremum of the range. This will help you to set the orders a little far and avoid fake breakouts. You can specify the order expiry, which will allow you to automatically delete any pending order if not executed after a specified time. As per the original strategy, you can specify to close all trades at the range's close time or keep them running to suit better the instrument and strategy you are following. In order settings, you can also ask Step Ahead to close any pending order once another one is executed. This way, you trade only in one direction. A new option introduced in version 2.1 is to reverse trade. Originally, Step Ahead was designed to trade range breakout by setting buy stop and sell stop. Instead, you will trade the range via sell limit and buy limit orders by activating this feature. This is ideal for trading the retracement of previous price expansion. Lot size settings are pretty simple. You can trade a fixed lot size or ask Step Ahead to automatically set the lot size based on a risk percentage. Then, based on your inputs, the cost of points for the given instrument, and your balance, trades will be set with a lot size respecting your risk. Stop loss can be configured using fixed points amount or a percentage of the range. This will allow flexibility based on the range size and the instrument's current volatility. Take profit follows the same idea, even you set it as fixed points or a percentage of the current formed range. You can specify a timely partial take profit for any trade. Once the specified time is reached, a certain percentage is taken off if the trade is in profit. In our case, the trade started with 0.8 lots. When our configured time is reached, 50% of the trade was closed in profit, and the remaining 0.4 kept tunning. Step Ahead also allow you to configure two levels for partial take profit. The trigger of each level can be specified in points or a percentage of the range size. In our example, our trade started with 0.8 lots. TP1 is configured to be activated when 50 points are reached. 0.4 lots are closed. TP2 is configured to be activated once the price reaches 100% of the range, 50% of the remaining active lots are closed, and 0.2 is kept running. Step Ahead allows you to protect your trade once it is in profit via its break-even function. The trigger can be set in points or a percentage of the range. Once the trigger price is reached, the stop loss is moved to the entry by considering a buffer to allow you to pay your spread or commission. You can trail your stop for every active trade. A trailing stop is triggered when the trade is in profit and reaches a specific price from the entry. It can be configured in points or via a percentage of the range. Once the trigger is reached, the stop loss will follow using the defined step. And each time the price moves a step in your favor, the stop loss will follow to book more profit. Step Ahead's volatility filter will help you to compare the current range with the daily ATR. If the current range exceeds the defined percentage of the daily ATR, this means that the majority of the daily move is done, therefore, a step ahead will keep you out of the market. The trend is your friend. Step Ahead will allow you to take only long or shorts manually. It also includes two trend filters. The first one is the daily momentum filter. You can set trades based on the previous day's momentum if activated. If the previous day is bullish, only buy trades are taken. If the last day is bearish, only sell trades are taken. You can also enable a moving average trend filter, specifying its time frame, period, applied method, and price. Only buy trades are taken when the price is above the moving average, and if the price is below the moving average, only sell trades are taken. Day filter will allow you to disable trading during a specific days of the week. This will enable you to plan your week and disable trading in days of high-impact upcoming news. When you start working on multiple instruments and different time windows, Step Ahead will help you to keep control of your daily drawdown. All instances of Step Ahead running on the same account can communicate, and once an overall drawdown occurs, all trades are closed, and pending orders are deleted. A reset will occur at the end of the trading day. In conclusion, Step Ahead is the market's ultimate in-range and range breakout expert advisor. It is very customizable and contains many features that will allow you to automate your strategy. You can find Step Ahead on www.mql5.com. You can find the links in the description below. Our video has come to an end. We hope it was descriptive enough to help configure your Step Ahead expert advisor. Don't hesitate to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Till next time, have safe trading.